Hey there, welcome to my review on the Stash investment app by Liberty. If you're looking at a way of investing your money and you're looking for something that's easy to use and also a very safe vehicle, you might be considering using the Stash app, and I've been using it for a while and I'm looking forward to sharing my review and my experiences with you. Look, there's a couple of things that I like and some things that I don't like about this app, and I'd like to share it with you so that it can offer you a picture of how it works and maybe help you make an easier decision. So let's get started. My name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this channel. I've created this channel and my website passiveincomeforall.com to talk about the various methods that are around that people can use to make money online. I have over the years encountered a lot of online scams. A lot of them, they waste your money for all the efforts and time and money that you put into it. But at the same time, there's a lot of legit opportunities out there. And I use this channel as well as my website to help bring some of those things forward to the people that want more information. So if it's your first time stopping by, warm welcome to you. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can be kept up to date on the latest happenings within the online world. So let's get started with the Stash app review. What is the Stash app all about? You see, the Stash is an app that is offered and operated by the Liberty Group Limited Company, and the main idea of this app is to create a tax-free investment vehicle. See, the point is to get you to start investing into your future by saving small amounts of money on a daily basis using this app. And the Stash app can be downloaded on both Android as well as on iOS devices, but the cool part is that it does not cost you anything to join, but also there is no minimum amount that you have to invest to get started. You can start from low amounts and you can go up to a maximum of 36,000 Rand, and you can also choose to split your money into two different portfolios. Let me just go to the next. As I said, you can also choose to invest your money into two different portfolios just with a simple click of a button, and you can also choose what percentage of your cash you would like it to be split into, but I'll talk more about that as we go on. How exactly does the Stash app work? Your first step is to download the app, and then after having done so, then you need to create an account, and then they will supply you with a necessary activation link for your email. Then you just need to create a 4-digit non-sequential password. This is what you're going to use to log into the app. And then the final part, what you have to do is you need to link a card to the app. You can link any debit, credit, or even check card from FNB, Standard Bank, Absa, Nedbank, Investec, RMB, Capitec card you can use, as well as Discovery, where they will only take Visa and MasterCard. And then you are ready to start saving or start investing. So how do you use the Stash investment app? So basically there are 4 ways in which you can invest your money. You can stash every single day, or then you can stash when you sweat. You can stash money by, the third way is to stash on sunny days. So when it's sunny you get to stash. And then the final way is to boost your stash. I'll go into detail in the next slide. So the first way is to stash every day. This is where you can choose how much you want to stash on a daily basis. You can choose from 5 Rand. I've set mine at 5 Rand, right up to 100 Rand per day. Then the second way is when you can stash on sunny days. You see, what happens is the app records what the weather is like in your area, and if it's a sunny day, right, then basically your credit card will be charged with the amount that you specify. Here you can choose 5 Rand or 10 Rand. The third way is to stash your cash when you sweat or when you work out. Now for this to work though, you would need to sync this app to another app called Google Fitness, which I haven't done, so mine's not activated. But for one drop, it stashes 5 cents for every 20 calories, 20 seconds of activity, 100 meters, and 400 steps that you do. And then the last method is to boost your stash, and Basically what happens is at the end of the month you can boost or inject a lump sum amount or any amount you want. You can just boost from up 0 rands up to $1,000. I've set mine at 0, but you can always change this whenever you want. So how exactly does your stash get stashed, or where does your money go? You see, what happens is the Stash app allows you to invest your money into 2 different portfolios. You can either choose a Cash Plus portfolio or the SA Top 40 shares. Now the Cash Plus balance is basically more savings account where your money just sits and you can just add more and more, whereas the Top 40 share balance is where your money is invested into some of South Africa's biggest companies. So as they grow and they perform well, so does your stash. So now, having said that, it's safe to also say that if these companies do not perform, neither will your stash. And that's why one of the really cool features about the Stash app is that you get control over how much you want your stash to be split between the 2 portfolios. And what I mean by this is you can control, like in this case I set it at 25-75%, right? And that tells me that it's a medium to a high risk. If you had to set it at 100%, then it would show high risk. And then if you would have to set it more on this side of this, on the Cash Plus side, it will tell you it's a very low risk. So I made it like this. You can always change it. However, you can only do the switch once every 90 days. So now let's take a look at the pros and cons of this opportunity, or of this app, shall I say. Okay, so what I like about the Stash app is that it's free to sign up, it's easy to use, and there's no minimum investment. I also want to make mention that there is 2 important documents that you can download from the Stash app. One is the client transfer form and the other one is a death withdrawal form. Now the client transfer form is, say for instance you want to take all the money that you have earned using this app, or shall I say whatever you've saved, to another policy. You just have to fill in this client transfer form. And then the second form, the death withdrawal form, you should tell some of your close family that you know what, you've got this investment thing going on, because if, in case something should happen to you, then they just need to fill in this form to access the funds that you have saved. Is the Stash app really worth your while? Look, I'll be honest with you, when I downloaded this app last year, I never take much interest into using this app. I never really see it offering me any benefit, but this year when I started looking at it, I wanted to at least put 10 or 20% of whatever my businesses were earning for me aside without me having to look at it. And I think with the boost feature of the app, it allows me to do this perfectly. It met all my needs, where all you have to do is just as a click of a button, you can choose how much it is that you want to save on a monthly basis, or whenever you have that extra cash that you just want to put it into an investment vehicle. And like I said, the funds are there. You can withdraw it at any time. You have to wait around 7 days though for the money to reflect into your account. So I hope that this review has helped you out. If you are looking for something where you want to actually pay yourself first without having to go through the hassles of opening up your own bank account and all that, then I think the Stash app can help you out. So do check it out. I have provided my link in the video description below where you can sign up to the Stash app. Also, on that note, that if you are looking for a way to start building your own online business, take a look at my #1 recommendation. I've also put it in the link below. It's a method that I've been using now for the past 5 years to earn a passive income online. You might find it worth your benefit, so I highly recommend you take a look at that opportunity. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. I hope that this review has helped you out. If it's your first time joining my channel, if it's your first time on this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can be kept up to date on the latest workings within the online world. Wish you everything of the best. To take care. Goodbye.